Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is something very simple. What we're going to be getting into is discussing the DECON N7 SB Dunk lows and really running through if these sneakers could be a hold. I do have a feeling about these being a good play, and it kind of will talk about, how these released, a lot of the stock, because these have been at outlets. We've seen a lot of plays. We've seen them popping up, so that's just kind of one thing I want to mention. So I'll kind of get into discussing that hold factor from there, and y'all can let me know if you hit today down below in the comments. But if y'all want more content, feel free to check me out down below on my Instagram right here. And of course, my friend and I's group HYPELABS. You can see the undermarket pairs that we're always providing to members every day, daily basis. So don't forget shock deals, undermarket deals, our profitable clothing backdoors, anything like that you may be interested in. Also our free app and also autofill tools for members. Don't forget, if you're a member in the group, you get access to this. So that's another useful thing I thought I'd mention to you guys. So don't sleep on that. You can see some of the features of the autofill tool. So yeah, hope to see you guys there. And again, you can see all the features here and much more, even like a free Chipotle code bot. Like that's something random I can mention, but there's so many things. Low-key flips, ticket flips, of course, anything sneaker related, and of course, EU, Canada, Asia info. So wherever you are, we can help you out. But I hope y'all will enjoy, and we have EU ACO on the way very soon. So let's get started. And you guys can see our different plans. So hope to see you on that wait list. And again, you can go through, see everything offered, see some reviews, so you know we're legit from different people, and you can click through them. So yeah, don't miss out. But now let's get into this one. So hope to see you all on that wait list down below. But again, we were discussing the N7 SV Dunk lows. We had two colorways released for this one. We had this university red one, which is right here, and then this black colorway right here, black sail. And I've had different people hitting me up selling some pairs of these, but a lot of people were able to cop these off local restocks at their Nike outlets today. I saw a variety of people that, again, were copying pairs there. They were using in-store monitors. That's another feature we have in our group. So, people were using those, and they were able to check their outlets and see if they had pairs of these. So a lot of these have been landing in-store recently, and today on sneakers, they had 19,000 pairs. So stock wasn't too crazy, but, I did see some people hitting some pretty good clips, like 11 pairs, 15 pairs here. So there was, enough pairs where people, were still able to get them. But these ones are still going to resell pretty well. You can see the current prices. I do predict they will probably drop, and you can see these smaller sizes. These will probably go down to like 160-ish, maybe 155. Personally, that's what I'm thinking. But any of these bigger sizes, kind of, more popular sizes like 9.5, 10, 12, 13, those are all getting, stay at good prices. 13 will probably stay where it's at right now. 12 may drop, where 13 is right now, so 170-ish. Then, 10.5 is probably going to stay pretty high. That's a very popular size, so it also one that tends to just resell for a lot more. Very popular size for resellers to target, and also, again, a lot of people are rocking 10.5, so that's just kind of one of the main things I want to mention about that size. But overall, if you were targeting certain ones for this one to hold, maybe you like the floral design on it, and of course the unique soles that are on each pair. Very, very nice feature of each pair, and you can see kind of which one is selling more. The black pair currently is the more popular one. You can go look at the current prices of the red pair as well. A little bit lower than that black pair that we have right here, but I've been buying both. Actually, I'm personally a bigger fan of the red pair. I'm still looking for a pair my size. I'm probably gonna find it though tonight, so it's not gonna be anything I have to worry about too much. But I think both these are good holds. Anything SB I think is a good play. I know these are a little bit different than your normal SB Dunk low, where it has the fat tongue and it's more like a skate shoe, and you have to think about, this is one reason why I really like these ones as a whole. You have to think about how people have been treating SBs recently. They've been treating them as like collector's items. A lot of people have just been buying them, and a lot of people have always bought SBs to rock, but I feel like it's like less people are buying SB right now to actually for like the name, because SB is Nike skateboarding. I feel like more people are just kind of rocking them as like a personal sneaker right now, and that's how I'm feeling about these. People are really going to look at them as a personal pair, and I don't see them, stand low for now. Again, they have, or for long. They have a lot of features that make them stand out. Each one, the floral embroidery all throughout the pair. Again, it seems like it's a pretty comfortable sneaker. It's a little bit different than your average SB. So there's just a few things that make this one stand out. And also the hype behind the SB name. I know we have a lot with Nike SB coming out, and we have the Born and Raised SBs on the way soon, but I feel like if you give these a few months, I know the box isn't anything too crazy. It looks like, it pretty much is like a cardboard box. It's pretty similar to something like a Yeezy Slide box, or just very plain and simple. I've seen the box for these. I'm going to try and see if I can find a picture. And also just look how these pairs hit in hand. I do have a feeling that these are being slept on right now, especially that black pair with an embroidery right there on the toe box. I'm definitely going to be buying more of those than the red pair. It is a little bit more, it's a little bit more popular for that reason. It just has more features and details to it. So that's one reason why I am buying that pair up a little bit more than the red one. But I'm just going to let these ones, settle in price a little bit more. If you want to, figure out when the best time is to buy these, honestly, right now, if you can get good deals on them, since, a lot of people have pairs in, then yeah, be looking to buy pairs. But probably, be looking to try and get, like cash out on apps. That's personally what I'd be trying to shoot for. Maybe offer like 5 to 10 more than that. Just don't be paying too much, since again, there is still a lot of pairs on the way from Nike, but also, people are getting their pairs in, from their Nike outlet or wherever it's at. So you just have to keep that all in mind, when you're looking for a sneaker like this. So that's pretty much what I want to mention. I want to show you all the box though. Here's what the box looks like. There we go. So it's pretty much like this. I think it is, at least. It's very, very similar, just kind of like this style. Very simple, very plain. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it, because I saw someone with pictures of it earlier today and it looked exactly like this. So again, simple design, nothing too crazy to it. It's not like a special box or anything, but it is a little bit different than your normal SB. And again, it's just going to be, overlooked a little bit right now. It still is somewhat popular, but I don't feel like this shoe is as popular as it could be. Nike really didn't look to promote this sneaker too much. It just loaded up like 2 or 3 days before. And you have to watch out for sneakers that just load up like, 2 days before, because again, that's when people will overlook them, because when there's only 2 days, for people to really look at them, or, see the pictures online that have leaked, and there wasn't really many people posting about these. That's another thing I want to say. Then yeah, I feel like these ones were a little bit overlooked, and it's just not one to really overlook too much. There's a lot of really like good work and good design done on this sneaker. Like you can tell, they clearly put some effort into it. I want to show you all the soles of them. Let me see if I can get y'all a picture of the soles, because I feel like that'll really show y'all what I'm talking about right here. Crazy design. Like I'm trying to show a better picture. Here it is for the red pair. Like you see what I mean? And for the black pair, it's pretty much this, but just again on the bottom, it's like black, or kind of it's either black or like kind of like a blue, I think, but I'm pretty sure it's black. So it looks like this. But the red pair, again, you can see what I'm saying. Like it's just such a nice design. So overlooked, yes, definitely a little bit in my opinion. So that's why, again, I've been looking to get some pairs of these, and they just dropped today. So don't be too concerned about looking to buy them right now. I know a lot of sneakers we've been talking about recently have seemed like good holds, and that's the thing. We've had a lot of really good drops recently. So don't get too caught up on focusing on one pair. It's okay to have some variety right now. Just kind of stack up inventory of different pairs, because maybe one of the ones you'll hit on will be a good bet. But I don't feel like a lot of these recent ones with like the Yeezy foam runners and Yeezy Azure slides, Onyx slides, Flash Streetwear SB, Tiana Taylors, these, I feel like those are all hitters. Like in the future, like a year from now, those will all be more than what they currently are, just for the fact that they will be more limited. They aren't being produced anymore. They have good design on them, clearly some effort to them. Even though the stock's a little bit high right now, it might take some time for these to rise. It is an SB, so overall be in demand still a couple years from now. So that's why I feel like this one is a good play. But this is kind of one thing I want to mention about this one. I feel like they will take a little bit longer to rise. So if you kind of just want to focus on if you're not someone that likes really holding sneakers, then this isn't one I'd be looking to get too many pairs of, because it will take a little bit longer. Like again, it's going to be probably like an 8 to 10 month play, maybe even longer than that. Like I'm looking to get some pairs I don't even know how long I'm going to be holding on to them. I just feel like, patience will be my best bet on that. So that's how I'm feeling about these. And again, I've been buying both, more of this colorway than the red one, but both are good in my opinion. So don't sleep. That's the main thing I can say. But if y'all want more hold or sell content like this, how to cop content about, sneaker related stuff, or you want to learn how you guys can cop more sneakers and source more pairs, you want to get access to under market deals, like the free Chipotle codes, learning how to buy, anything like that, check us out down below at HYPELABS. Again, you can see all the features here, including EU and Canada information now, plus again the under market deals that are offered to anybody globally, so wherever you're at. So again, you can see everything offered here and much more. Our free app as well for members, and again the deals, an example of some ones we did not too long ago. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to say, guys. Don't miss out, and I hope to see y'all there, because you can start cooking with us. So get on that wait list and test us out today. Learn how you become a better reseller. So that's it. Follow our socials and catch y'all there. Again, our Twitter as well. You can see the autofill tools here, and that's our @ so don't miss out, guys. I'm ending that, and hopefully I catch y'all in the next video soon. Got another long day at work tomorrow, like 9-hour shift, but again, it's like the last one for the week. That's that long, so it won't be too difficult. We're gonna get it done. But catch y'all then. We get this edited, and let me know if you copped today. If you didn't, or you purchased some pairs, let me know. See you then. in the next video tomorrow. Peace.